Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a chickpea curry. This is my own version of curry that I make. So first let me start with the boiling. So I have to boil this in a pressure cooker so it cooks faster. Now I'll put this here. This much is fine. I'll put the pressure. You can cook this for like 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm pressure cooking this for 20 minutes. While I'm boiling my chickpea, let me chop up my ingredients. So 1 onion is enough. And garlic. Oh my eyes. And some green chilies. This is not very spicy one. If you want spicy, you can add more. This much is enough. It looks like it's done now. It's cooked. So I'll open this and we'll see. So this is already cooked. Let me start making the curry now. So my pan is on the stove here. So my oil is hot enough and well cooked. So I'll add some cumin seeds. You can lower the flame because otherwise it will get burned. And then curry leaf. Be careful. Now I'll add the onion. I'll add the salt now so that it won't burn. You can turn up the flames now, and I'll add the garlic and the green chilies. So while I'm sauteing this, let me chop the tomatoes. So let it be like this. So 1.5 tomato I'll need. And now I'll add some garam masala. Much. Some black pepper. So garam masala and black pepper is added. I'll add the tomatoes now. So these ingredients are like almost done, that I can add the chickpea. Add the chickpea now. So I'll add coconut milk and a bit of water. Not much. So I'll cook like this for like 10-15 minutes and it should be done. Um, it is almost done. So the seasoning is okay. More ingredient I should add. So this is coriander. Now the last ingredient I'm going to add this is sesame seed, which I roasted and grind. Not much. This much is enough. So this is all good to eat now. So guys, my curry is done. Let me plate it up. I'll turn off the heat now. So guys, this is the curry all done, ready to eat. So if you like this video, please give me a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.